Hey there, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step on how to use Claude Code using an API key in 2026 and properly set it up for your project. To use Claude Code using an API key, first you must go to your Google and search for Claude console. Click the first link. And now in the Claude console, you can get your API key. And of course, you have to pay for it. But after paying for it, you can just simply go to your Windows PowerShell. In the Windows PowerShell, you can simply enter this command right here. This would be your API key here, and run it. After running the command, Claude would authorize you. It might ask for verification, but after that you can now use Claude Code or the API one for your prompt. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.